Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi wine. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, wine yeast, and clean water. Sterilization is crucial. Make sure all your equipment, like fermentation buckets and bottles, is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Choosing ripe, high-quality fruit is key for a delicious final product, so pick wisely. Next, prepare your fruit. Wash and chop it into small pieces, then mash it well to release the juices. Combine this fruit pulp with the sugar and water in your primary fermentation vessel, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the mixture, known as the must, has cooled to room temperature, pitch in your wine yeast. This yeast will begin the magical process of converting sugars into alcohol. After adding the yeast, seal your fermentation vessel with an airlock. This allows carbon dioxide to escape while keeping unwanted air out. Let it ferment for about 1 to 2 weeks, or until the vigorous bubbling subsides. Once primary fermentation slows, it's time to rack the wine. Carefully siphon the liquid into a clean carboy, leaving the sediment, or lees, behind at the bottom of the first vessel. Finally, age your wine. This secondary fermentation and aging period, lasting from several weeks to a few months, allows the flavors to mature and mellow. Once aged to your liking, carefully bottle your wine into sterilized bottles, leaving a small headspace, and then cork them securely. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Store your bottles in a cool, dark place, and enjoy your homemade Desi wine responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.